Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel, Eco Power Hub 2.1. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to explore the factors that affect the efficiency and production of solar energy. Picture a world where clean, sustainable energy is the norm. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the magic behind solar panels but also how to harness their full potential for a brighter, greener future. First on our list is geographic location. Think of it as the foundation of your solar adventure. Where you are on Earth greatly affects the amount of sunlight you receive. Latitude, longitude, and regional weather patterns all play a part. Here's the kicker: places closer to the equator bask in abundant sunlight, offering a solar energy jackpot. So, choosing the right location for your solar setup is like picking the perfect stage for a blockbuster show. Now, let's talk about time of day and season. It's like a daily and seasonal solar symphony. Solar energy production peaks during midday and in the summer when the sun reigns supreme. But, as we move into early morning, late afternoon, or the winter months, production takes a dip. Understanding these rhythms is key to maximizing your solar gains. The unpredictable weather. This leads us to our next factor, weather conditions. Mother Nature can be moody, but the good news is that even on cloudy days, solar panels can perform their magic. Of course, the efficiency depends on the quality of your panels. So, investing in top-notch, weather-resistant panels can help you maintain production levels, even when skies are gray. Ever heard of shading? It's like a dance of shadows that can impact your solar panel's performance. Anything casting a shadow on your panels can lower their efficiency. To make sure you're maximizing energy generation, it's crucial to keep those tree branches trimmed and position your panels strategically where they can soak up the most sunlight. Now, let's dive into type and quality of solar panels. Not all panels are created equal. Factors like panel efficiency, technology, and the manufacturer's reputation can significantly affect the energy output. So, before you make a choice, dive into the research pool and stay updated with the latest advancements in solar panel technology. Investing in high-performance panels can be a game-changer. Last but not least, let's talk about maintenance and cleaning. Think of your solar panels as windows to the sun. Just as a dirty window hinders your view, dirty solar panels can obstruct sunlight and reduce efficiency. Regular maintenance and cleaning are essential to ensure your panels operate at their peak performance. In the age of climate change and environmental responsibility, harnessing solar energy isn't just an option, it's a necessity. By understanding and optimizing these factors: geographic location, time of day and season, weather conditions, shading, solar panel type and quality, and maintenance, you can maximize your energy production, cut costs, and make a meaningful contribution to our planet. Together, we can lead the way to a cleaner, greener future powered by the limitless potential of solar energy. If you found this video informative and eye-opening, please show your support, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more enlightening content. If you have questions or need more information about any of these factors, leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us on this solar-powered adventure. Stay eco-conscious, stay curious, and remember, the future shines bright with solar energy.